channel. Today we're going to be doing our Boxycharm base box versus our Boxycharm premium box and see how the two compare. I haven't done a Boxycharm unboxing type of video in a while. I usually do the spoilers, but I thought it would be fun to do one of the comparison videos to see how the two compare. So I have October's boxes here in front of me. I'm going to start with the base box, which is the smaller box. And that one runs $25, I believe, a month. And it looks like for this month's theme, it is Candy Shop. The card looks like. And I do like when they actually include the cards. You don't always get them for some reason, but they give you the breakdown and the prices of the items. So it's good to learn about what you got. First thing that I got is a Luxie brush set. Comes in a little cute little pouch. I really like Luxie brushes, but I don't think I need any of these that are included, so I'm gonna be giving it to someone for Christmas actually, so I'm not gonna unwrap the brushes, but you get 5 brushes in that. They look like all eye brushes and then a swirly as well. And they have a pretty lavender color, I guess you would call it, with rose gold. And it says for those, create eye-catching looks with this 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. The versatile collection includes a tapered shading brush, blending brush, medium angled brush, larger shader brush, plus a brow and lash brush. Stash them in your Luxie pouch for glam on the go. And it says they retail for $40. Then I have by Symbiosis London. Never heard of that brand. Hyaluronic acid plus Pololin. I may not be saying that right, because it's a tightening and resplendent eye mask. It's a 0.5 fluid ounces. And for that here it says, it's a revolutionary innovation in the beauty market in the form of an eye mask in cream to tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten the delicate eye area. This eye mask is fortified with hyaluronic acid, polulin, as well as shea butter, and works to visibly reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. It says it retails for $93. Wow. It says, apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin, allow to absorb into the delicate skin around the eye area, no need to wash off. It's an eye mask though. So I'm guessing that you use it just like an eye cream from the directions. So let's give that a try and see. By Dose of Colors, we have their Meet Your Hue Full Coverage Concealer. And I got mine in the shade 3 Fair. This was a choice item, so you got to select your shade. And I haven't tried this yet, so I thought it would be cool to get it in a subscription and give it a go. Here's the packaging. And it says, this multitasking full coverage concealer has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfections. Retails for $24. So that's not bad. Not a bad price for a concealer either. So hopefully it works well. Then we have by Ace Beauty their Draw It Lip Liner. Looks like it's a set of 2. We have like a red shade and a nude shade. Do a quick swatch on the back of my hand here. Oh, very creamy, which is good. The Draw It lip liners are super pigmented liners that draw on smoothly and can be used to line the lips or fill them in completely. Includes a sharpener at the base that can be used to sharpen the liner's tip. That's always a cool feature. It says they retail for $16. That's a pretty good deal for 2 liners. I'll definitely get some use out of those. I needed a red lip liner. I don't have a red like that one, so that'll come in handy. And the last thing for our base box is by Beauty Bakery, their Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. And I actually have never tried a Beauty Bakery palette, but given the colors of this one, I'm probably going to give it away for a gift for Christmas, because I just don't see myself getting a lot of use out of it. I already have a lot of colors like this. It is very pretty though. The cool tone palette. It says Beauty Bakery's Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette is a delightful morning medley of saturated mattes and shimmery shadows. This palette is perfect for the classic office to happy hour transitional touch-up, and it retails for $38. So that was it for the base box. I will total up the items and put the total here on the screen just for you guys to see what the value is compared to the $25 that we pay a month. Now for the bigger box, the premium. The same type of card in there, same theme and everything. The first thing that I see is a Laura Geller New York 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. Called Love Blush is the shade. No more air kisses. Our pure pigment formula stays true with soft, satiny color that stays put from morning peck to midnight smooch. The uniquely curved applicator hugs lips for precise application. The built-in well delivers the perfect amount of color with each application, and it retails for $21. See that wand they're talking about. Oh yeah, it has one of those nice curved wands. And there's a quick swatch of it. Then we have Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Brow MVP Ultra Fine Brown Pencil and Styler. Mine's in the shade Light Brown. Usually is the shade I would wear, so I hope it works. Here's what the actual product looks like. I'm excited to try this because her brow pencils, as you'll see, instead of just a normal spoily, it has like a toothbrush looking brush there to comb it out with. A quick swatch of that. Oh, definitely seems like my type of pencil. It's not too creamy, but not too hard. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's the perfect type of formula that I like for my brows. We have by Murad their Hydrating Toner. Could definitely use that, especially with the winter months coming. My skin usually gets really dry. Oh, I forgot to go over the details for the brow pencil, the Fenty brow pencil. So for that, it says an ultra-fine retractable brow pencil made for hair-like precision, born in a groundbreaking range of 14 long-wear, waterproof and smudge-resistant shades, plus a built-in paddle brush for effortless blending and styling, and it retails for $20. So it's waterproof and smudge-resistant too. That's really cool. Now, back to the Murad, the hydrating toner. It says an ultra-hydrating, alcohol-free toner instantly balances skin's natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatments that follow. Sodium PCA helps replenish lost moisture, while chamomile and cucumber extracts soothe the skin, and it retails for $35. Then we have by Kosas a tinted face oil in the shade 2. I was actually trying to figure this out the other day. I don't really get the point of it. It was a choice item, so I thought I would give it a try, but as you'll see, it comes out like water, or like oil, like it's called, but I guess I don't really get the purpose of it. I put way too much. It came out so fast, but I don't know about this product. It's not something that I'll probably use. I don't know. I'm not a skin tint type of person. I don't know if that's what it's, you know, kind of what it's supposed to be. It's definitely not like a full coverage product, and then to me the oil sitting on my face would just feel gross, like kind of like in the summer if you've had your makeup on way too long and you've been sweaty or hot and you get that heavy makeup greasy type of feeling. It just seems like it would give you that right off the bat. I mean, I probably will give it a go just to see how it feels on a day I'm not really going nowhere, just to test it out at home, but it's not something I think that I'll actually get use out of. If you're into that type of thing, if you're more of a lightweight, light coverage type of girl and maybe you're super dry and the oil would help you, because everybody is different. Just because I don't think I'll like it don't mean that you won't like it. It says it's a clean, featherweight, light coverage foundation and hydrating skin elixir. So it is supposed to be a foundation. With application that takes as little as 10 seconds, the breathable formula evens skin tone, minimizes pores, and erases imperfections while supporting skin's health. It says it retails for $42. To me and those like me who are more into full coverage, I don't know, $42 for barely any coverage, not something I would buy. But again, if you're into that, you might like it. Then we have Go-To Exfoliating Swipies. Oh, the brand I guess is called Go-To. It says they're foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin. I'm actually probably not going to open it because I have a couple of exfoliating wipes already open that I've gotten in other subscription boxes that I need to use up. So I'll probably be giving this away either in a giveaway or as a gift as well. I'm not going to open it. Go-To Skincare Exfoliating Swipies. These single-use exfoliating pads soaked in an all-natural solution get rid of dead skin cells and hydrate the skin. The well-documented effectiveness of lactic acid, the most gentle of all AHAs, is combined with ultra-hydrating essential oils to create a face exfoliator that thoroughly removes dead skin cells, refines skin texture, minimizes the appearance of fine lines, and deeply moisturizes, and it retails for $35. And then the last item we got is by Illuminati X Isabel Bedoya here on YouTube. She's on Instagram as well, if you're not familiar with her. She's an influencer, and this is their collaboration, I guess. Here's what the palette looks like. Looks pretty. A nice range in there. We have, you know, peachy tones, glitters, a lot of nice pops of color, pastel shades. I've seen some reviews on it that weren't that great, to be honest, but everyone has their own opinion. Just that I don't see myself wearing this. I don't really get too much into color. Sometimes I do, but not enough. And I already have some colorful palettes that are just sitting there. So I'm at a point where if I'm not going to use it a lot, I'm not going to hold on to it when there's other people that could actually get use out of it more. And it says for that, Illuminati Cosmetics has collaborated with Isabel Bedoya for an ultra versatile palette. Create an evening glam look or perfect daytime look. The shades range from pastels to bright colors and neutrals. There's a look for every person, which that is true. From those shades, it looks like anybody could really get use out of it if you don't have a lot of shadows already. And it retails for $48. So I'll also put here on the screen somewhere the total of the premium, and then we can compare the two based on the items that we got, the prices that we paid, which are $25 for the base box, $35 for the premium. See which one you like better. I think for me, the premium is where it's at. Even though this oil foundation situation doesn't seem like anything I'll enjoy, we'll find out. Other than that, everything was pretty good. Just because I'm not using some of the items because I already have similar doesn't mean that I don't like them or I think badly of them. So I really enjoy Boxycharm, and I think that I'll do these videos more frequently to see, you know, which is better, which is worth your money. Let me know down below what you got in this month's boxes. If you haven't subscribed to Boxycharm already, I'll have a link below where you can do so as well. Let me know what you think of the boxes, what you've gotten, and how you liked your items this month. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit subscribe before you leave, and thank you for watching. Bye.